Ever wondered what secrets lie in the deepest part of the ocean? Welcome to the Mariana Trench. This undersea marvel was first discovered back in 1872 during the HMS Challenger expedition and has since been a source of fascination for explorers and scientists around the globe. The trench, part of the fiery ring of fire in the western Pacific Ocean, made headlines in 1960 when Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh courageously descended to its darkest depth, Challenger Deep. This historic dive not only made Piccard and Walsh household names, but also kick-started a new era in oceanic exploration. Despite the significant strides we've made in understanding the trench, much of its vast expanse remains a mystery. Even to this day, only a handful of manned and unmanned missions have dared to explore its deepest point. Despite its significance, much of the Mariana Trench remains unexplored, and only a handful of manned and unmanned missions have reached its deepest point. The Mariana Trench is part of the western Pacific Ocean, stretching over 2,550 kilometers. This underwater marvel is not just about its length, though. The real thrill lies in its depth. The trench's deepest point, known as the Challenger Deep, plunges down an astonishing 10,994 meters. Just to give you a sense of scale, imagine stacking 10 Empire State Buildings on top of each other. That's how deep we're talking, but it's not just the depth that's mind-boggling here. The pressure at the bottom of the trench is another beast altogether. It's approximately 1,086 bars. That's over 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. So, whether it's the length, the depth, or the extreme pressure, the Mariana Trench is truly a testament to the wonders of our natural world. The Mariana Trench is a kingdom of diverse marine life, adapted to withstand extreme pressure and darkness. In this sprawling underwater realm, life takes on strange and fascinating forms. Creatures like the amphipod Halicryptus gryllus, the giant isopod Bathynomus giganteus, and various species of deep-sea jellyfish have all carved out a niche in this extreme environment. Microbes, particularly those flourishing around hydrothermal vents, play a crucial role in the trench's ecosystem. The snailfish Pseudoliparus swirae and the cusk eel Abyssobrotula galatheae are other noteworthy residents of the trench. It's also home to species yet to be classified, making it a treasure trove of biological mysteries. Traditional photosynthetic plants don't exist in the trench due to the lack of light. Instead, the ecosystem relies more on chemosynthetic processes driven by microbes around hydrothermal vents. These organisms convert chemicals from the vent fluids into energy, supporting a community of life in the dark, high-pressure world of the Mariana Trench. The heart of the trench, the Challenger Deep, has been the site of daring expeditions. It's a place where humans have pushed the boundaries of exploration, venturing into depths where few have dared to go. Our story starts with the historic dive by Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh back in 1960. In the deep-sea submersible Trieste, they made the journey to Challenger Deep. Their descent marked a significant milestone in human history, as they became the first people to reach the deepest part of the world's oceans. The duo spent about 20 minutes at the bottom of the trench, observing a flat and featureless seabed. They also reported seeing small shrimp-like creatures. This discovery was fascinating as it challenged the then widely held belief that life could not exist at such extreme depths. Fast forward to 2012 and another name joins the ranks of these deep-sea explorers, James Cameron. The renowned filmmaker and explorer embarked on a solo dive to Challenger Deep. He piloted a submersible he co-designed called the Deep Sea Challenger. This vehicle was the result of several years of meticulous planning and testing, all aimed at ensuring it could withstand the enormous pressure at the bottom of the trench. Cameron's journey was not just about personal achievement, it was also a scientific expedition aimed at gathering data and samples from the trench's depths. The Deep Sea Challenger was equipped with 3D cameras and a mechanical arm to collect specimens. Cameron's dive was a success. He reached a depth of about 10,908 meters, setting a new record for the deepest solo dive in history. His expedition brought back valuable data and samples, contributing significantly to our understanding of this mysterious part of our planet. The pressure here is extreme, equivalent to holding up 100 elephants on a single toe. But despite the challenges, these expeditions to Challenger Deep exemplify the human spirit of exploration and discovery, reminding us that there is always more to learn about our vast and mysterious world. Tourism is making a splash in the depths of the Mariana Trench. Yes, you heard it right. For those with a taste for the extreme, submersible tours are now offering once-in-a-lifetime journeys to the ocean's deepest point. These deep-sea dives are not for the faint-hearted or the light-walleted, but they offer an unrivaled glimpse into a world unseen by human eyes. But the Mariana Trench is more than just a tourist destination. It's also a potential treasure trove of untapped resources. Hidden within its depths are polymetallic nodules, rocky clumps rich in manganese, nickel, cobalt, and copper. These resources could play a significant role in our future, powering technologies and supporting economic growth. However, the exploitation of these resources must be balanced with the need to protect this unique and fragile ecosystem. So as we plunge into this new frontier, we must tread lightly. Beyond the thrill, the Mariana Trench holds economic importance with potential resources waiting to be tapped. The trench, however, is not untouched by human impact. In our quest for exploration and resources, we've left an indelible mark. From plastic bags to discarded fishing gear, the remnants of our civilization have found their way into the deepest parts of the ocean. In the Mariana Trench, a phenomenon known as a trash trap has formed. Here, the ocean's currents and the trench's unique topography work together to collect debris, creating a sad testament to our throwaway culture. Even in this remote and extreme environment, the impact of our lifestyle choices is visible. It's a stark reminder that our actions have far-reaching effects, affecting even the most inaccessible corners of our planet. Our oceans are not infinite garbage dumps, but fragile ecosystems that need our protection. Traces of human impact have reached even these remote depths, reminding us of our responsibility to protect our oceans. As we resurface from the depths of the Mariana Trench, it's clear that our journey into the ocean's darkest corners has shed light on more than just the mysteries of the deep sea. It's also revealed the profound impact we humans have on our planet, even in its most remote and inaccessible regions. The trash trap we discovered is a stark reminder of our collective responsibility to protect and preserve these unique ecosystems. It's up to us to change our habits, to reduce, reuse, and recycle, and to think more carefully about how our actions affect the world around us. The Mariana Trench is not just a fascinating scientific curiosity, but a call to action, a reminder that we all have a role to play in safeguarding our planet's future. As we conclude this chapter of our journey with Mysterious World, we hope you'll join us in our mission to learn, explore, and protect. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and remember, the future of our oceans is in our hands.